Hey there, today I have this heated foot massager that was sent over to me from the brand to share with you guys. Let's take a closer look at it. So here's an up close look at the massager itself. The massager is one piece with minimal buttons, and then the cord is separate. It has a decent length to it, and it just connects like this and then plugs into the wall. This is where I was using it on my feet. And as you can see, there's minimal buttons. There's a power button that will turn the massager on with heat. If you press it again, it turns the heat off, and the third press of the button will turn the power off. This also has 3 speeds, starting at the fastest speed, and then as you push the buttons the next few times, it will drop down to the slowest speed and then cycle through again. In using this, I liked it on my feet because I could sit there in a chair and just have it go, or I could actually put it under my station wherever I was working, like at the table where I just showed it. I also liked using this for my calves. It allowed me to prop my legs up and then just sit my legs right in here, and I really liked the movement and massaging of that as well. This also says you can use it on your arms. I didn't find that effective for me. I didn't like it. To each his own, so that may be something that you actually find that you like. I like that this is easy to use. There's not a ton of technical features on it, just some simple buttons to turn it on and affect the power and the heat. If you are looking for a nice compact foot massager or leg massager, then I hope this video helps you decide if this is a good product for you.